In this video, I want to show you the pass keyword. The pass keyword is a way to put an empty placeholder into an area of code where you otherwise will not be allowed to leave empty code without generating errors. So if I try to create a function here, and I put def add, and then below this, I try to do something else like print the value high, we'll see that I'm getting an error here. And if I hover over print, it tells me that it expected an indented block. So I'm not ready to put my code in here yet. So what I can do is put in the pass keyword. And now if I run this, we'll get the output high with no errors. And I can even call this function. And since functions return none if a explicit return value is not created, I will simply get the output none. This also works with the if conditional. So if I remove this and I put something like if 20 is greater than 10, and then below it, I will just put pass. And if I hit the play button here, it runs with no errors. It also works with for loops. So I could say for I in range 3, and then inside this for loop, put the pass. And when I run that, again, it runs with no issue. So I just wanted to show you how this keyword works. So if you ever run into a situation where you need to put an empty placeholder where you otherwise would not be able to leave empty code, this is what you can do.